Hello students, in today's section we will see sixth program of Java. The program name is Write a Java program to demonstrate use of implementing interfaces. Okay, so let's see the code. This is the code for implementing interfaces. First of all, what is interface? As you have already learned, objects define their interaction with the outside world through the methods that they expose. Okay. So an interface in the Java programming language is an abstract type that is used to specify a behavior that classes must implement. Okay. And the interfaces are declared using interface keyword. So in simple words, interface contains final fields and abstract methods. Okay. What is final fields? When we are declared a variable with the keyword final, it is called final fields. And abstract method is a method which doesn't have any implementation code or any implementation body. Okay, so let's see the coding. Interface drawable. We have created here the interface with the name drawable. Inside this interface, we have written one method. The method name is void draw. This is only the abstract method. Okay, and we are closing this interface. Then comes class rectangle implements drawable. Okay, we have created here the class with the name rectangle which implements drawable interface. Implements is a keyword which used to inherit the interface by the class. The class can implement or inherit any interface with the help of the implements keyword. Okay. Inside this rectangle class, we have declared a method public void draw. This method is already present in an interface drawable, so we can inherit here the public void draw method. Okay, the rule of the interface is that which class is going to inherit that interface, that class should be provide the implementation body for that method. So here we have providing the implementation body for that draw method. System.out.println inside the bracket drawing rectangle. This is the method body for draw method. Okay, and we are closing the rectangle class. Then comes class circle implements drawable. As like rectangle class, the class circle also implements drawable interface, and we have declared here the public void draw method, and we have provided a implementation code for the draw method. System.out.println drawing circle. Okay, so we are closing with the circle class. Then comes class test interface 1. Inside this class, we have written public static void main string args. This is the main method. So this is the main class in the program. Inside this main method, we have written here drawable d equal to new circle. What is this line? This is a class casting. Okay. If you implement an interface and provide body to its method from class, you can hold object of that class using the reference variable. So here d is the reference variable. Okay, that is cast an object reference to an interface reference. Okay, but using this reference variable, that is d variable, you can only access the methods of the interface only. That means we can only access the method that is present in interface. We have the method here void draw. So we can only access the method. The method name is draw. Okay. If you are trying to access the methods which is not present in a interface, then it shows a compile error. Okay. So drawable D equal to new circle D dot draw. By this line we can access the method which is present in a circle class. Okay, D dot draw. So it will be printing drawing circle on your console. After that, D equal to new rectangle. By this line, you can access the method which is present in a rectangle class, and it will be printing drawing rectangle on your console. Okay, and we are closing with the class test interface class. Okay, we have done with the coding. Now to execute this program, open command prompt. Okay, D drive, CD, folder name, that is Ankita D, press enter, compilation command, that is Java C, program name. You should give this program name test interface 1 because main method is present in this class. So you should give the name for this program test interface 1. Okay. So Java C test interface 1 dot Java. And press enter. Okay. Then to run this program, write Java and the program name, that is test interface 1 and press enter. Okay. It is showing drawing circle and drawing rectangle. I have already told you that D dot draw is going to print the drawing circle on your console, and D dot draw, that is a D equal to new rectangle, it will be printing the drawing rectangle on your console. So this is the final output for this program. Okay. Hope you understood this program. Thank you.